Hey guys, this is the creator James. Today we're going to be talking about a program I created. It allows you to run scripts inside of Minecraft. Yep, inside of Minecraft. You write them yourself. Alright, let's get started. Now, before I get too far, this is just a showcase. It's not ready. I don't think it is. I'm willing to distribute it though soon. I started last night. Alright, so to start, you type hashtag code. Or # code. That's the more proper. Never mind. So I'm going to show you a jump command. Let's go ahead and get our height. Our Y. Let's add 3 to it. And then let's set it. So we'll run it. And boom. We just jumped. But what if we actually wanted that to be a command? Well, we can obviously upgrade it. It would be pretty lame if we couldn't. So we'll create a jump height variable. And what we'll do is we'll do the exact same thing as before. We'll get our Y, but then we'll add it to the jump height. Then we'll set it, and then here's our function. So let's give it a name. Let's call it jump, and then pop it off the stack. So let's run this. Hashtag run. And now what I can do is type in ooh, skeleton. Disgusting. Let's go over to a tree. And I'll set it to like 6. So now that we're in a tree, you'll notice that our health's pretty low. So why don't we fix that? So let's create a heal command, but first let's experiment. Let's say 20 game set health. That should work, right? What do you know, it did. So now let's create a command out of it. 20 game set health, and then we can call it heal, and then let's pop it off. So now when we run that, it sets that command, and now if we just want to run it from here, we can, and we can type heal. So what if we wanted to feed ourselves? Same concept, we just say set food instead equals feed, and then pop. So let's set that. So now, if we say feed, boom, we're fed. What if we wanted to combine both? Let's go ahead and do that in here instead of doing it in the book. Just wanted to show you that this is the same thing as the book. What we can do is say feed and heal both in the same thing, and then we can say equals replenish. And then let's pop that off. So now, if I wanted to, I could type in replenish, and both would be filled up at the same time. Okay, now what? I showed you a few simple commands, but why don't we do something a bit more advanced, like a home system? Yes, this mod can do that. Mod, plugin, whatever. So here's a short little script. It's pretty confusing to follow, but what it's doing is it's creating a string which will then be turned into a function. Now you can make it way more simple than this, but the reason I did that was so that I could set different warp locations. You know those warp plugins? Well, this eliminates those. So let's go hashtag run, Hashtag run. Go ahead and correct me, say pound sign, I don't care. It's actually a pound sign, so you guys are right. Anyway, what I can do is I can run down here and say James set home. Then I'll run away. I'll climb up in this tree and then I'll realize, wait, I want to go home, I'm homesick. So then I'll go James get home and boom, I'm back where I was. Oh, and there's some skeletons. Lovely. So now let's try our replenish command before the creeper reaches us. And boom. Also, if you wanted to see those commands you created, you could put a $sign, and then you could say message after it, and you could see precisely what it does. Although it'll be converted into a reverse Polish notation format and blah. So let's see what feed does. Let's see what jump does. Message. Let's see what our other thing does. What is that thing? I don't know what I'm even talking about anymore. Oh yeah, set home. Ta-da! So yeah. Just to show you that I can set multiple homes, I'm on this tall mountain, and I can say snowy set home. And then I can go over here and I can go, I want to go back to James. And boom, down here, looking up at the mountain. And I'm all the way back up here. Anyway, I have no idea how this will be useful to people. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't be, but I think it's cool. I implemented the language in less than a night, and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, leave a comment. Don't like, favorite, and subscribe because I didn't do anything that great. But I want feedback. And see ya.